Bullish Deckard cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $94.80 and $179.06 by 2030. Market investigators accept DCR could reach $73.73 by 2025. Bearish Deckard market cost expectation for 2023 is $16.85. Deckard presentation. New blockchain encoded resource-getting organizations are arising in the growing advanced digital currency area. The typical cost of each can modify essentially aimlessly and in a moment. An unexpected cost drop in a bullish pattern is entirely expected inside the crypto market today, because of the speedy increment or decline in market esteem. Their future costs are a very controversial subject with a huge crowd of closely involved individuals. Deckard Value Forecast is an open and moderate cryptographic money with an arrangement of self-administration incorporated into its blockchain. Since its commencement, the typical exchanging cost of Deckard has been hypothesized by numerous specialists. We should investigate on the off chance that it is a beneficial speculation for you now. What is Deckard? Before we can move towards any specialized investigation or value forecast of Deckard, a comprehension is expected of the DCR coin inside the crypto space. This will give the setting to comprehend Deckard cost examination and Deckard cost forecast. Deckard is a digital currency that is like Bitcoin yet with a couple of key contrasts. One of the fundamental distinctions is that Deckard is a cross-breed confirmation of work and verification of stake coin. This implies that the DCR coin utilizes a blend of both mining and marking to get the organization and affirm exchanges. This makes it safer and decentralized than Bitcoin, which is exclusively confirmation of work. Furthermore, Deckard has an inherent administration framework that permits clients to decide on proposition to work on the coin, making it more decentralized and receptive to local area needs. Deckard specialized investigation. Deckard specialized examination can be perceived in two significant focuses. The Deckard project is a cryptographic money that utilizes a crossover verification of work and evidence of stake framework to get the organization and affirm exchanges. It is likewise a decentralized coin, with an implicit administration framework that permits clients to decide on recommendations to work on the coin. Deckard is written in Go and was initially sent off in February 2016. The Deckard network is gotten by the two diggers and stakers. Excavators work to affirm exchanges and add new blocks to the blockchain, while stakers help to get the organization by holding Deckard coins in their wallets and deciding on proposition. In general, Deckard is a balanced digital money project with areas of strength for a very much financed depository and an energetic local area. This gives the premise to its typical cost. Deckard principal investigation. Deckard utilizes a half-breed confirmation of work and evidence of stake framework to get the organization. This really intends that there are two kinds of clients on the organization: excavators and stakers. Excavators work to affirm exchanges and add new blocks to the blockchain, while stakers help to get the organization by holding Deckard coins in their wallets and deciding on proposition. Deckard is a decentralized coin, and that really intends that there is no focal power controlling the coin. All things considered, the coin is constrained by the local area of clients. The people group can decide on proposition to work on the coin. Deckard has areas of strength for of engineers with an abundance of involvement with the cryptographic money space, making the typical exchanging cost a lot of chosen by the actual clients. Deckard current cost. Deckard is right now worth $21.07 USD. DCR has moved 0.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,094,329. Deckard is right now positioned 102 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $308.911, $380 using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above. We can decide cost designs for Deckard to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Deckard value forecasts. Deckard likewise has areas of strength for a case as a coin that is safer and decentralized than Bitcoin, possibly prompting better conjectures for the typical exchanging esteem inside the cryptographic money market and more precise Deckard cost expectation. Furthermore, Deckard's implicit administration framework permits clients to decide on recommendations to work on the coin, making it more receptive to local area needs. This could be the reason for a higher typical worth and DCR cost estimate rise, prompting a possibly brilliant future. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Deckard market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Deckard value expectation 2023. Deckard, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The DCR cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $31.60. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. averaging $29.49 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. DCR is supposed to have a base worth of $25.28. Deckard Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Deckard DCR cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DCR will before long outperform $52.66. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the DCR's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DCR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $42.13 and a typical exchanging cost of $46.34. Deckard Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $73.73 and DCR might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DCR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $67.41 and a low of $63.20 in 2025. Deckard Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Deckard effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the DCR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DCR will be green in 2026. The DCR is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $94.80, with a base cost of $84.26 and a typical cost of $88.48. Deckard Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the DCR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $109.54 by 2027, with a base cost of $105.33 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DCR has a greatest value worth of $115.86. Deckard Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $130.61. On the off chance that DCR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $136.93. Neglecting to assemble the help DCR needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $126.39. Deckard Value Expectation 2029. While DCR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $147.46 and a yearly cost close above $157.99 in 2029. Deckard Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Deckard will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $168.53 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $179.20